we are in the fifth part of our DBMS chapter talking about the cardinality ratio. So in the previous part we discussed how each entity in an entity set is participating in a relationship, and we did it by defining two types of constants, that was the key constant and the participation constant. And now in the cardinality ratio we will discuss how two entity set are associated via a relationship set. So firstly, it is simple that each entity, we have two entity set. Suppose we have two entity set A and B associated via a relationship set R. So there could be four cases. The first case, that is each entity in A is associated to at most one entity in B, and each B is associated to at most one entity of A. So it is 1:1 relation, simple, and both the side we are imposing a key constant on both of the entity set, since each is associated to at most one entity of the other. In the second part, here each A is associated to 0 or many entity of B, but here each B is associated to at most one entity set of A. So here the key constant has to be imposed from B to A, like एक B at most one entity set entity of A के साथ associated है, so यहाँ पे key constant B पर impose हो रहा है, and this is 1:m cardinality ratio. The third type is where each A is associated to at most one entity at most one entity of B, and each B is associated to 0 or multiple entities of A. So यहाँ पे the cardinality, here the key constant is being imposed from A. तो यहाँ पे, and this is m:1 relation, and in the suppose m:n relation is there and m may not be equal to n over here. तो यहाँ पे each A is associated to 0 or multiple entities of B, and each B is associated to 0 or multiple entities of A. So no key constant is imposed on either side. तो यहाँ पे एक चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है कि द की कॉन्स्टेंट हैज़ टू बी डन फ्रॉम द एम साइड. जैसे 1:m और m:1 में वी नीड टू थिंक दैट A इज़ एसोसिएटेड टू 0 और मेनी ऑफ B. तो यहाँ पे एंड B इज़ एसोसिएटेड टू एटमोस्ट वन ऑफ A. तो यहाँ पे की कॉन्स्टेंट इज़ एसोसिएटेड फ्रॉम द m नोड, एंड सो की कॉन्स्टेंट हियर, यहाँ पे दो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है दैट डज की कॉन्स्टेंट इम्प्लाइज अ टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन एंड नो, बिकॉज की कॉन्स्टेंट का मतलब ही यही है कि मिनिमम उसका 0 होगा. अगर मिनिमम 0 है तो टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. डू टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन इम्प्लाई अ की कॉन्स्टेंट? इट इज़ ऑल्सो नो, बिकॉज टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन में द मैक्सिमम वी कैन गो इज अप टू m एंटिटी, इज अप टू m रिलेशन. तो यहाँ पे भी for key constant it has to be maximum 1. तो यहाँ पे भी total participation will never imply a key constant. तो both implication नहीं होंगे यहाँ पे. And we are now giving one example that each employee works in one department. तो each employee works in one department. तो is:1 जो है वो D पे जाएगा and key constant will be given on E side. And each department consist of many employees. So यहाँ पे ये simple m आएगा, m:1. तो यहाँ पे पढ़ने का simple तरीका ये है कि that either side में opposite वाला रहेगा, that each E is associated to 1D. तो यहाँ पे since each E is associated to 1D, तो यहाँ पे हमारा key constant लग गया. एंड यहाँ पे ये पढ़ना है दूसरे साइड से कि each D is associated to multiple of E. तो यहाँ पे कोई key constant नहीं होगा. In this way, the cardinality ratio is defined.